Alright, good morning. It's day 4 of the overlanding trip. It's Thursday. This is what we're waking up to. The sun's coming out. We're gonna make our fire, make our breakfast. Then we're gonna hike up to the plane crash site and check out what that's looking like. Breakfast, finishing off the burgers that we got. Then we got some sausages, pancakes, you see it? Pancakes and some bagels as well. We're gonna finish what we can today. Then we'll hike up the mountain. We found the first little part of the airplane. This looks like the very nose of it. Bunch of, yeah, this is for sure the front end of it. Supposedly there's 2 here. They're way over there. You can see the tip of one, but we don't know where the second one is really. Yeah, look at this. Little hose right there. Oh, Hamid! Oh, oh man, that's somebody's nest, dude. Just destroyed it. Okay, put their home down, bro.
So here we found the wing of the airplane from the first one. There's a lot of parts everywhere. I'm guessing this is the other part of the wing. I'm guessing this is the front of the cockpit. That thing's massive. Look at this frame right here, all of this parts. I'm guessing this is the other part of the wing. Parts everywhere. We got like installations or something. This thing is really heavy. You can see that it was burning. It's like all brown. It's a lot more pieces everywhere. But we're getting closer to the main part. Found some motor piece. Thing's insane. Focused. There's parts everywhere.
Yeah, we've been walking for the last probably 500 feet that way. And a little bit this way. There's just been parts scattered everywhere.
Found the back piece of the airplane. This thing's massive. A lot of parts everywhere. 1973. You got the exhaust, everything here. A bunch of wirings.
Wow. That's valuable.
You guys can pause it and read it. Thing is amazing. Is this a tire? Yo, I found a tire. A lot of stuff. Here, everywhere. This is a wing. Yeah, the fins and everything.
Oh, this is the freaking Navy type.
Wow. Oh, the interior or something. This thing's huge. All this wiring stuff. That's a lot of wiring. There's a big piece right here. Wow. A bunch of tubing, wiring. Wow. It's the side of the airplane. A really big piece as well right here. It's massive. Big piece right here. It's like most of the airplane. Wow. No way. Look at all this. All the controls, everything, all this wiring. It says Navy on the side. It looks upside down. Missing Dan.
That's crazy.
There's an air tank, everything in here. A big part of the frame. One more huge piece. Also, I'm guessing the front. Bunch of units everywhere. You can see it scraping when it was falling. It was scraping against stuff. How big this part is. Oh my. This part is huge. Wow. There's a lot of parts everywhere. There's chunks ripped out. I'm guessing this is the cockpit. There's a lot of parts here. Wow. Look at all of this. Look at all of this stuff. Pieces there. Look at this thing. All these modules, computers in this thing. Look at all of this. Wow.
Oh, we found the cause of the crash. Oh, this is crazy. Look at this. A piece of glass. Dude, that's crazy. Look, more glass. Oh, another piece. Dang. Wow. That's nuts. Alright, we're all packing up, getting ready to leave. This guy's gonna attempt to climb this hill before we head out. It's close, but we're not gonna go to the plane site because it's like another mile. So we're just gonna attempt to climb that hill. That's gonna be the trickiest part. You can see just how steep this is. I'm holding my phone pretty leveled. Stuck. Alright, this is the tricky part. See just how steep it is. I'm holding my phone level right now. Big old rock right there. Okay, come on, you're almost there. All right, that was a good attempt. I'm not gonna attempt it because my my furlough doesn't work, and the whole trip. I mean, like halfway through the trip, I've been hearing weird front end noises, like periodically it comes and goes. So I'm not gonna attempt it. I'm not gonna risk it this time. If I had furlough, I probably would, but it's a pretty steep hill, and T and Mati was enough for me. Driving back, these are the conditions of the road. Super muddy. See, last night it was like it was all frozen, so it wasn't this muddy. So we got there perfectly fine. But now it's just throwing an insane amount of dirt and mud on cars again. Oh, let's hope we make it out. This is the aftermath of just that road. It was like 200 feet. We were bottoming out on the mud, dude. It was like the trench was like that big. It was so huge. This is a bad time to come here. Hey, we made it out though. I'm glad we made it out. Really? Oh man, dude, that was scary. We were driving, we were like. And then this is what the entrance to that place looks like. They have these gates that you open up and you pass through, and man, that was just like a mile of straight mud. It was deep. We made it out there luckily, but hopefully the GoPro captures some of what the road was like. You made it?
Dude, half the time I'm like locked completely.
Yeah, I saw you in the very beginning. You were like sideways. Cheeky peeky. Alright. Alright, we're gonna make our way to Christmas Valley and then make our way back to probably Bend, hit the snow again. Yeah. Alright, we made a little pit stop to this place called Crack in the Ground. Right around Christmas Valley town. It's on Crack in the Ground Road, in case you guys ever want to find it. We're gonna go down and check out what it looks like. Check this out. Let's check this out. Oh! I don't even know this place existed until I found a sign that says Crack in the Ground. Wow. Wow. I mean, it's pretty cool, I guess. Wow, look at all these cave drawings. That's really cool. This is crazy. Look how far up it is. Ouch! I just almost rolled my ankle. Man, it just keeps going. Spots. Look how far it goes down. I'm trying to peek over the ledge right here without falling down. The camera doesn't do it justice, but let's go to ways. All right, on the other side, there's these two rocks stuck in between the cliffs. Pretty cool. It looks, look. Lay down. It's pretty hard to get to. It's really hard to get to though. We're like rock climbing in the snow right here. All right, lunch break. We counted it perfectly. We're on our last cans of tuna, having some lunch, a little snack. Then we're gonna go back to bed. Hopefully, we get there before the sun sets. All right, little problem. I don't know how much you can hear, but when I'm giving it gas, I hear a bunch of grinding noise. As soon as I let go, it's quiet. Gas it. It's something to do with my driveline, but something's for sure broken. Let's hope I make it home. We're about 2.5, 3.5 hours away, something like that. Here, driving to bed, you can see sisters very clearly. There's one, two, where's the third sister? There she is. Look at that. Oh, look at that. There you go, look at that. Beautiful sunrise. Beautiful sunset. Alright, we are back. It's Friday. This is what my car looks like after that whole trip. Gonna need a good power wash on it. Yeah. Luckily, we got back without any breakdowns. Well, I got back without any breakdowns. That sound got louder. The grinding sound. So I'm gonna have to look into what that is. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy.